pull a Jeep out. They said it fell over. They got it back on its wheels, but seems to be hydrolocked. So we're gonna go pull it out. We got Rockstar Lily over here. And we got Sean and Mike and Wiley behind us. We're gonna go see what we got.
We're at the booth, but look, there are people up there rappelling.
Propelling?
Propellers. Some of you guys might be wondering, what kind of rock is this? This is Navajo sandstone. It's basically petrified sand dunes. You can see all kind of funny formations in it because it's a petrified sand dune or something like that.
Yeah.
Dang, that was a good one.
Done did it.
And then the new obstacle, what are we going to call this thing anyway, by the way?
I have no idea. Like gatekeeper?
The new gatekeeper is definitely got these Jeeps all screwed up. Oh, we need tow truck to turn his lights on. Look at this. He's swooping and looping. Yeah, follow him. Hi. You got this. Just hang towards the bush.
Fence?
Yeah, bush fence. All right. Oh, yeah, white one over here is getting spicy.
Why did your face look like
Hola.
Yeah, watch out. They all got Florida license plates.
Hey, they waved.
They wave. They're nice people. I
Yeah,
like
they're
that.
Nice. Mike guessed red. He wins.
We're taking bets on what color it is.
Oh, you are right.
I nailed it.
Nailed it.
It is red. Check it out. So what happened? Tell us.
Oh man, got the wrong line and should have gave it a little more gas when it started bending, and I didn't, and flipped over. But luckily,
You were coming down this?
Yeah. Luckily
Yeah.
on sand though, so I didn't get too much damage.
Okay.
Which is nice.
Yeah. Yeah, a little bit of scratches,
Yeah,
some sand, the door, maybe a mirror.
Unfortunately,
it's not starting.
well, so that's
So spark plug, battery was leaking a little bit.
so what it is it pulls oil out of these
Right.
into the intake, hydrolocks it, and takes the starter out 99.9% of the time.
Really.
You want to steer it, or you want one of our guys to steer it out?
I'll have one of your guys do it. All right. Okay.
You can get your own Trailmater trail rope at trailmater.com
Ta-da!
for the low price of, I don't know, whatever it says on the internet.
Okay, here we are. So this little obstacle is called the corkscrew. This little pull up here. This is where Trailmater struggled pulling that real heavy Gladiator up. So we'll see how old Blue does pulling this JL up here. Here. The hill from Hell's Revenge now. We're going to take it over here. We're going to haul it to our buddies over at Mechanics Now so they can go through it, put a new starter on it, pull the plugs, clean everything out, get it ready to go again.
So we are here at Mechanics Now. We're going to drop it off, let them fix it up, and we will carry on with our day. Here's the guy right here. This is the man.
Guys? Long time no see you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So it is Sunday morning. Me and Lily are here. So we're headed into Pritchett Canyon. Our friend Dustin from Moab Side called last night. His rig is broken here. I don't have time to bring the trailer and everything in today to get it. So we're gonna go in, me and Lily are gonna go in and try and weld it back together, and then they'll come in later and grab it. Okay, this spot right here, this is that climb off over here, but it looks very muddy down there, so we're not going to go down in there. Yeah, normally I'd climb up right here, but my tires would be covered in mud, so not really worth it. So here we are pulling up at Rocker Knocker, but I don't think we're going to have the traction to go straight up it, so we're just going to walk it around and do the easy line. You've got to be kidding me. Who stacked all these rocks? That's ridiculous. If you can't drive Pritchett, don't drive Pritchett. Don't stack a bunch of rocks if you can't drive Pritchett. Alright, here we are. This is right at Broken Steps. So it's this bracket is all torn apart. There's a road right there. There's a little bypass road. Comes up here. I'm going to come up, drop down here, get right here, park the buggy right here, run the winch over and pull that into place. And then we can hook the welder up and all that fun stuff.
So what I heard, he's going to go up there and then turn and then park over there. There he goes.
So we got half of the bracket of one tab out. All right, there's the bracket right there. That's that little piece still holding on. So I got to bend it back up into place. Okay, we've got the inner bracket tacked in. I'm going to file it down with the Dynafile and then get this sleeve pushed back into the bushing, get it in there, and then line this bracket up with where it needs to go. First button. That one down. 1 second. Okay, go ahead. Easy. A little more. A little more. More. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. A little more. Hold up right there. Alright, I got this bolted up. That's welded. This is together. I'm going to weld this right here to that. Probably come in here and weld this washer.
Okay.
And then we will have everything attached.
Oh yeah.
Way better than it was.
Look, I made it. It's all back together now. See that? Woo. So these guys will drive it out. They're part of the Moab Side by Side group. This camera's messing with me. But anyway, here we go.
Okay, so all the guys showed up and helped us. Think it's gonna go pretty smooth. We'll just mosey on out of here. Right? Monkey gonna drive?
What?
Is Monkey gonna drive? I'm not gonna drive.
Monkey will take the wheel.
Oh, that's scary. Alrighty, anyway, so we'll bring you with us. We're gonna drop down a couple of these obstacles, make sure that bracket all stays together. brake pedals down here. One's a rear brake, one's a front brake. Now we turn downhill. We stop right here, put it in reverse. See, we're still only in front wheel drive, but we hold the rear brake a little. Then, put it in four-wheel drive so we go down. But then we're in neutral, so we just letting gravity bring us down the hill. See? Lots more control. Okay, it's Sunday. Me and Lily are jamming to the radio and we're having too much fun. So we're going to go ahead and sign off and say,
Thanks for watching.
thanks for watching, guys.
You know what they say about Florida men?
They got mean alligators.
Yeah.
I don't know what they say.
There's a reputation about people from Florida.
Like,
They're pretty wild drivers. It's been my experience.
they're pretty mellow.
They seemed like they were doing an excellent job so far.
They like to say put the shrimp on the Barbie a lot, do you?
I swear that's an Australian
Are
thing.
you sure?
I don't
Give
know.
our Florida people, they have shrimp there.
All right.